Dear subscribers and guests of our channel, today we will talk about rapidly deployable complexes. The sensor data enables operators to rapidly assess the situation and take appropriate actions. However, there are situations when there is no time to deploy a stationary security system. This is where rapidly deployable mobile systems come to the rescue. These are the BRK series systems. Their key advantage lies in the ability to deploy them on site in minimal time. The system includes BRK RL radio frequency sensor, BRK ER infrared detector, alarm signal receiver, BRK KO counter brake detector, Cobra cover detection sensor, and control panel. These systems operate reliably in all weather conditions, including rugged and mountainous terrain. For example, the BRK system can secure a perimeter of up to 2 kilometers. It features a wireless data transmission range of 1.5 kilometers, and with the use of radio repeaters, this distance increases up to 6 kilometers. The system delivers up to 20,000 hours of autonomous operation. Let's now demonstrate the operation of the complex using visual example. First, it is necessary to prepare the complex for work. The process of deploying the complex itself takes a few minutes. At the same time, no construction work or laying of wire communication and power lines is required. The complex operates using lithium batteries. In addition to the complex, it is also possible to deploy the Jaeger break-wire detection system. Transmission of alarm messages from detectors is carried out via radio channel. When an intruder passes, the alarm control panel sounds an alarm signal. Thank you for watching. That wraps up our review. Goodbye.